So how to fix problem your iPhone is here. Camera or a flashlight not working. So first thing, just try to check your updates. So just go to the settings, just open the general, just open software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So the latest option you can try also to just maybe restore your phone. So just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second, and just power on phone again. So just simply restore phone. And another thing you can try to make force restore on your phone. So for doing that, you just need to tap on home button and power button at one time. So just keep pressing these two buttons until 10 seconds. So after you will until you will see Apple logo. So after, just release your fingers from these buttons, and after wait until your system will load. So thanks for watching, goodbye.